Hello GATE aspirants. Welcome to part 2 of GATE Electronics series. Question 10. Which of the following statements is correct for common emitter amplifier circuit? So for common emitter amplifier circuit, output is taken from collector and common point. So usually collector and ground. Common point is ground. And output is 180 degree out of phase with respect to input. So there is 180 degree phase shift. This is for CE amplifier. And base emitter junction is forward biased and collector base junction is reverse biased. So first is output is taken from emitter. There is 180 degree phase shift between input and output voltage. There is no phase shift between input and output voltage. Both junctions are forward biased. So only option B is correct. Next, question number 24. For an intrinsic semiconductor, Me star and Ms star are respectively the effective masses of electrons and holes near the corresponding band edges. At a finite temperature, the position of Fermi level. Now, Fermi level EF is equal to EV, that is valence band level, valence band energy, plus EC, conduction band energy by 2, plus 3 kBT. Kb is Boltzmann constant and T is temperature into ln mh star and me star. So the Fermi level, it depends on both me star and ms star. So option C is correct. Question number 25. In the following circuit, the voltage across and the current through 2 kilo ohm resistances are. Now this is a Zener diode and Zener diode acts as voltage regulator. So it will give same voltage 10 volt. So voltage across this, that is VL, voltage across load, that will be 10 volt only. And if this voltage is 10 volt and resistance is 2 kilo ohm, then current IL will be VL by RL, that is 10 volt upon 2 kilo ohm. So that is 5 milliampere. So the correct option is option D, 10 volt and 5 milliampere. Question 45. In the following circuit, transistor 1 and transistor 2 are identical transistors having VBE is equal to 0.7 volt. The current passing through transistor 2 is equal to. So this is transistor 2 and we want to find current passing through it. Now see. We want to find current passing through this conductor and the voltage across it is 5 volt. And out of this part, this is a base emitter junction and VBE is given, that is 0.7 volt. So total voltage is 5. So if I want to find current through this, then this total voltage is 5 volt, out of which this part is 0.7 volt. So this current, it will be 5 minus 0.7 volt upon the resistance, that is 100. So this will be 4.3 upon 100, that is 43 milliampere. So the current passing through this 100 ohm resistance will be 43 milliampere and that same current will pass through transistor 2 as well. So here option D is correct. Question 46. The following Boolean expression can be simplified to. So we can simplify this using K-map. So we have 4 variables. So first will be A bar B bar, then A bar B, then A B and then A B bar. And columns will be C D bar, similar to this, C bar D, then C D and then C D bar. Now first one is A B bar, so it will come here, C D bar, so here. Then A bar B, C bar D, so A bar B and C bar D. Then A bar B bar C bar D, then A bar B bar C bar D. Then A bar B bar C D, A bar B bar C D, then A bar B C D, A bar B C D. Next is A B bar C bar D. So these are the 6 terms, and then we have to find groups which are groups which have members which are multiples of 2 powers of 2. So this here we have 4 and here we have 2. So we can simplify it now. So here D is common and A bar is common. So this is, I can write A bar D, or for this case D bar and D is there, so common is C bar, so A, B bar, C bar. So this will be the expression, simplified equation. So option C is correct. Next, question number 47. Consider the following circuit. Which of the following correctly represents output VO corresponding to input Vin? Now in this circuit, input voltage is given to negative terminal and to the positive terminal some feedback is given, and this op amp operates in between plus or minus 10 volt. Now we can find upper trip point and lower trip point for this particular circuit. So let us do that first. So the voltage at upper trip point, that is equal to the voltage at VCC. So this will be VCC in bracket. This will be, I can call this R1 and this will be R2. So this will be R1 upon R1 plus R2. And here we have VCC is equal to 10 volt. Then R1 is 1 kilo ohm and R2 is 4 kilo ohm. If we substitute these values, then upper trip point voltage that comes out to be 2 volt. Similarly, we can find out lower trip point. For that, we have minus VCC into R1 upon R1 plus R2. So this will be minus 2 volt. So these are upper voltage trip point and lower voltage trip points. So at these voltages, the it will be tripped. So it will go to positive side or it will go to negative side. So these are basically reference voltages. So if Vin is greater than V reference voltage, since it is negative input op amp, so it is inverting op amp. So for this, if Vin is greater than V reference, then output will go to negative side. So it will be minus VCC. And if Vin is less than V reference, then V out will be plus VCC. If it was non-inverting amplifier, so for Vin greater than V reference case, we would have gotten plus VCC output. So let's check. The input is varying from plus 5 volt to minus 5 volt in all these cases, and the trip points are 2 volt, 2 volt. So for 2 volt, initially when the input is less than 2 volt, then output should be positive. Okay. So if Vin is less than V reference, then output should be positive. So here in this case, see the output is positive here till this part. Then it should trip for minus 2 volt. So here we have minus 2 volt, so it is changing here. Then again it should change at 2. Here it is changing at 2 volt only, so this is not correct. This part is not correct. Here it is changing at minus 2 initially, this is also not correct. So only option A is correct. So for this is a comparator circuit. For a comparator circuit, we have to find the reference voltages, upper and lower, and then we can find out what will be the output waveform. So these are all the questions from electronics from GATE 2011 paper. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep learning.